This 2024 Jeep Compass is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Jeep is powered by four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, and intercooled turbo regular unleaded i4 2.0 LL 122 engine. Unleash adventure with the all-new 2024 Jeep Compass. Your journey begins here. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.